Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope you are doing great. It's Sunday, or we can call it a weekly analysis. So, actually, this is our last week of proper active market trading because after next week, the market will be way too slower. Everyone will be on their holidays with their families or something like that, as it repeats every year. So yeah, let's see. On Monday, we don't really have any economic news. Tuesday, nothing. On Wednesday, we have CPI, GBP from GBP. We have consumer confidence from US. Final GDP, quarter over quarter unemployment claims. So we have this few economic news. Then the other week, everyone will be going on Christmas, whatever. Christmas celebration and stuff like that. Then the other week it will be the first week of 2024. So the question is, are you ready? Are you ready for that? Some people will say, "Oh, I will start January. I will start this." That. Please, guys, don't put yourself under that type of a mindset. It becomes a habit to say, "I will start in January." Start now. Start now. The money that we are going to celebrate with, you know what? Let's just talk man to man, right? Why? Because I have seen like almost 100% of people who are watching my channel, they are males. So man to man. That's why I'm saying man to man. So you know what? December comes every year. Maybe you are 20 years. Obviously, you had 20 Christmas or Christmases, maybe if it's like that. So and now you are a trader, and now it's December. Pressure is all over the place. You need to spend something. When we go to the booths, you just want to buy unnecessary stuff. Just imagine if maybe you cut what. Not saying that you don't have to drink, you don't have to buy whatever that you buy, but just imagine if you reduce that with 50% and say, you know what, after next week, I will just add this on my funding account. That can help. People mostly they think like December is gonna last for 6 months. Hey, it's just only a week. You see. Then come 29, 30th there, or 1st of January, then everyone is almost broke. We are going back again on the same cycle. If you don't start nice, if you don't start well, actually in this on a year, most likely you're gonna have some troubles going further. So prepare weeks before, prepare now. You see, it's bad to prepare when things are not good. So prepare now when everything is fine, when you still have your money, whatever. Then January, it's just another month. You see. So as I said, man to man. So yeah, this is going to be the last week where we're gonna see the market moving very nice. The other markets, obviously, they won't actually move unless maybe you go into trade cryptos or synthetic indices from derive.com, right? So what's really happening on the market? Yeah, there's nothing much. There's nothing much. What I want to show you is you can be part of the team from what you see 6 months, 12 months, lifetime. You can scan the QR code. We are still waiting for other people to join our mentorship program, which is going to be 350. We start in January, which is actually 3 weeks from now. So it's going to be 350 one-to-one on a live session, and it's going to be 12 months until you start to make profit, not until you start to make drawings or able to draw the trend lines, but you have to be, I will hold your hand until you start to make it, you see. But start now. Think about it now. But this number is limited, guys. You're gonna have like 25 to 30 people so that I can able to manage that. And after that, after we reach that number, since I'm going to take these people for 12 months, it means we're not going to have any mentorship next year if this one closes, right? So yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy. Be safe, guys. Be safe. Be safe. There is still there is still tomorrow. There is still next year. Don't live like there is no tomorrow, guys. Right? I'm also telling this to myself, not maybe you. I'm not advisor here. I'm also telling this to myself. So yeah, we have to live like there is still tomorrow. We have to save here and there, and to next year we don't really have to repeat the same thing and say, oh, I will make it by December, I'll be a millionaire, or maybe I'll have a 90,000 or whatever. But guess what, now it's December. All your wishes, mostly all your wishes, 90% of people, they did not really reach them, and you're still going to repeat the same thing. Why? Who forces you to repeat the same thing? It's your mind, or what? Or they've been witching you, maybe. So try to change. As I repeat, this is the new year coming actually, but start now. Get someone who's gonna mentor you. You see you made your mistake here and there, which is fine. Everyone makes some mistakes, but make a bold changes in your life. Get someone who's gonna show you everything, someone who's gonna help you, someone who's gonna hold you accountable. Don't just say I will change, I will change. No, get those things. Get people who are gonna watch your results. Get a mentor if that is possible on your side. Just get everything just to make sure that you become a better trader, as you are a trader. Whoever who's watching here, I think they are traders. Anyways, we are on 6 minutes now. I'm not going to take much time. So yesterday I did a video about fundamentals. You can go check that. And for those who want to be part of our like, you can learn on my channel, there is membership partner program. You can click on the join, you can choose gold and diamond, then you get some exclusive stuff. You get some exclusive videos that we don't really get here. So what's really happening, guys, on DXY? Let's just go straight to that. It's not going to be very long. We can see that yes, we are on a downtrend. The market last week, last Friday, tried its best to reverse a little bit, but it's fine because we saw the market created something here. So I'm expecting the market to respect this area and push even lower. Remember, we are on a downtrend. We expect the market to do what? To push to the lowest side, right? So we are on a downtrend. We are going to follow that. It means the dollar is losing some momentum. Guess what? They said they're going to cut the rates, and we need to talk about that. When they say they want to cut the rates, that is a very good thing. How does it affect the market? It's going to affect the dollar mostly. And 90% of the pairs that we trade, they go with the dollar. So which means mostly we are going to see some very long trends. You see, we're going to see some very long trends against the dollar, and that is very good thing for us who trade Nasdaq. Yeah, we're going to see the market fly very nice because inflation is also going down. That's why I said you also have to check that video that I've sent about fundamentals or news trading. So we are going to see some very bold moves. You can see we are on the start of the trend. We are on the start of this trend. Maybe by January or Feb, this chart of Gbpusd, it will be like seriously far. And we will say, do you still remember around January the market was here? And it's funny, or I like what I see. I like the structures. I like the method that I use. Why? Because if you still remember, we were talking about this area a few weeks ago. We did smash here. The market consolidated. The market pushed up. We also did smash here. So, and I've been talking about that. So just imagine what will happen. We are looking for a buy only, and the trend is now confirmed. Even if they don't really increase the rates on the first month or second month or third month, but we have at least a clue that there is a chance that they're going to increase the rates. You see, there is a chance that they're going to include the rates. So when we go on our holiday, just sometimes check the market. This is your work. It's your business, right? Just check where the chart is going. Maybe you can get one or two positions and make something while you are drinking. And it's very nice. So what's really happening on Gbpusd? We are on this continuation of an uptrend, but we see the market created a soft top resistance there. So I'm expecting the market to reverse before we see a continuation of this uptrend. I'm expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. I'm expecting to see some pushes. So what's really happening on EURUSD? Now I can say, you know what? We confirmed this. If you still remember, we were struggling with this support area, and now we confirmed that. We confirmed that support. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. But where we are now, you can see that the market did respect this resistance. Obviously, the market is pushing down, which is fine. So I think maybe the market might reach this support area before we see the market continuing pushing to the upside. Simple as that. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. The channel is growing very nice because of you guys, because of you. Even if we are not on 100,000, but you know what? That number, whatever that we are here, it's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. You see? So on gold, what's really happening? We are on a very nice uptrend. We saw a reversal because of a FOMC and because of those 3 cuts that are coming next year. That is still going to fuel the market to push the upside. We're gonna see this effect almost on all these pairs that we are going that we trade. But what we see now, the market reached this level, and you can see that it's actually a resistance. I'm expecting the market to reach this area, or maybe to even go even bit lower before we see another shoot to the upside. Or since we no longer have any aggressive economic news and it's festive season, obviously I am expecting maybe the market just to consolidate. Maybe around January we might see the market pushing to the upside. That is possible. So yeah, I'm expecting a nice bullish move. I'm expecting bullish moves everywhere. I'm expecting bullish moves everywhere. So US30, what's really happening? We had a very nice structure. Now, this is not nice structure to me. We have this uptrend, but I like to see, or I would like to see a very proper reversal before we jump on this again. But there's nothing I can do. If the market is if the market is on a bullish momentum, what can you do? Nothing. You just follow. So what we see is, yes, we just following that also. I thought maybe the market was going to break that on Friday, and the market did not. Then that is going to be our support for now. So if it keeps breaking that, we can easily buy. But you can see this structure is sort of a consolidation. So maybe we might have a reversal. If we don't really have that, remember, the market can do that, something like this. It can do something like that and still push the upside. The market can still break this and still push the upside. But we will be ready. We will be ready to take that. If not, maybe the market will reverse a little bit before we jump on that. So let's push to the next one, guys. Those 3 cards, they are very important. Because they show that the inflation is pushing lower. Inflation is going down, and which means the prices are going down. People, they can able to afford, and when they cut the rates, it's gonna be very, very, very nice. I don't know if maybe when they cut the rates, it won't push the inflation to the upside, but we will see. Obviously, maybe they know what they're talking about. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? The market is also quite similar to what we saw on US30. We had a very nice breakout, consolidation, boom, the market is now flying. But where we are again, it seems like the market wants to repeat that sort of consolidation or ranging. But we did have some very nice trades again on Friday. After the news, we had a buy here, and then the market pushed to the upside. So again on Friday, oh, it was Thursday. So on Friday, I thought maybe we're gonna have something, maybe the market will be breaking that, and the market did not really break out of that. So I see something like this. Maybe the market might come back again here, then we can have another buy. If not, maybe the market will break this resistance and keep pushing to the upside. Remember, the market won't be moving that much. The German 30, at least I see a reversal. This area seems to be a support. On top there we have a resistance. So maybe the market will just play around before we see another push to the upside. Very nice structure, by the way. So S&P 500 also on a resistance. You can see there was a notification there. So I'm expecting the market maybe to break this area. If it doesn't really break, it means that the market might push even lower before we have another buy. So what I know is, even if we have this crazy buy, at the end of the day, there is no way we are still going to get a proper support. So this support might end up getting to be like something like that, obviously. But for now, the market is still aggressive. Good news. We have some serious good news all over the place. And that is actually good. That is actually good. I think we're gonna see 2020. Those moves that we saw on 2020, 2021. they might start to happen next year. So guys, be safe out there. Be safe out there. Before you finish your money, get something. In January, when you are broke or whatever, just know that, but I did join the mentorship, I bought the signals, then I can easily recover. From second or third, then we will be starting to send the signals. Then you will start to eat. Maybe you can recover very quick. Don't just be that guy who just make the same mistake every year. This Christmas comes every year, guys. I celebrated Christmas several times, but if I can tell you, almost every year I used to get broke. January it's just the same thing. January is just the same thing. January is just the same thing. So if that is a curse, I don't know. If maybe us, I don't know. I don't know. We need to stop that. We need to stop that. So we have to understand that, no, I already celebrated this thing several times. So this time it doesn't really have to fool me. So I have to just relax. See, 3 weeks later, you have something, and it's very nice to have money in January. It just makes your life very easy. So yeah, besides that, we also have a mentorship, which is 350. We're only looking for 20 to 30 people, and from January to December, until you become a profitable trader. Whether you are new or maybe you've been trading, but as long as you are not profitable, yes, you can still join that. It doesn't matter whether you are in Europe, Sweden, Australia, US. Yes, we can still meet online, so it's as simple as that. So you don't really have to worry. So thank you very much. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be sending the signals. But yeah, things they're going to be a bit slower here and there as we are going on this celebration. But hey, have something to trade. Just imagine the first week you have something to trade, and maybe you make $50 here and there just to for fuel or something. We use money unnecessarily December, but I think it's a scam because they just provide all these things. Like, you just have to buy unnecessary things. But if you know, I will see you on the next one. Bye.